Hello everyone. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to hide or deactivate a PDF that we previously imported into Revit to use as a guide to draw our building. So we already have this PDF and you can click on it and you can select it. But if you just delete it, if you just click delete, it's going to be difficult to bring it back at exactly the same position and the same scale. So there are two ways that you can hide this to make everything easier with the drawing process. So the first way is after you click on it and it's selected, you can go down here on temporary hide isolate and you can hide the element. So this is one way, but I personally don't like this very much because you get this blue line here that's a little bit distracting. So I think there is a better way. Reset temporary hide isolate. So a better way is without even selecting it, you can go on the left panel and scroll all the way down and find your Revit links, because any PDF that you have imported in Revit, it's going to be registered as a link. So you right click on Revit links and you go to manage links and it should appear here. We go up here to find it as a PDF and you can see a loaded PDF, which is the one that we have here. So what you can do here is just click unload and apply, and the PDF is hidden. And anytime you want to bring it back, you can just go back here, find your PDF and load it again. Reload and apply, and you have it back here. So that's it. Let me know in the comments about any questions and any future videos that you want me to talk about.